In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow anyone to upload files to your Google Drive folder. If you've ever needed to collaborate with others or simply wanted to easily collect files from multiple people, sharing a Google Drive folder can be a lifesaver. Let's get started with a few straightforward steps to make this happen. First, you'll need to open Google Drive and locate the folder that you want to share. This is the folder where you want others to be able to upload and potentially modify files. Once you've found it, go ahead and right-click on the folder. A menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll select the option that says Share. To reinforce this choice, click Share again if you see this option in the menu. Now, when the sharing settings window pops up, you'll find a section called General Access. Here, it will typically display Restricted as the default setting. This means that only you have access, but since we're looking to open it up to others, we need to make a change. Look for the down arrow right next to Restricted. Click on this arrow and you'll be presented with a few options. What you want to do is select Anyone with the link. By choosing this, you're allowing access to anyone who has the link, transforming your folder into an open platform for uploading and editing. It's important, however, that you don't stop just at granting access. To the right of anyone with the link, you will notice a role setting, which is initially set to Viewer. This role would only allow others to view the files without making any changes. For our purpose, you'll need to change this role from Viewer to Editor. By designating them as Editor, you're bestowing them the capability to add, edit, and organize files within your folder. Once you've adjusted these settings, you've reached the final step. Simply click Done to save your changes. It's as easy as that. Now, you have a shared folder on Google Drive where anyone with the link can actively participate by uploading and managing files alongside you. This simple process is incredibly powerful for team-based projects or any situation where seamless information sharing is crucial. Always remember to share the link only with trusted individuals because everyone with the link will have editing access. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make the most of your Google Drive collaborations. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.